All right, we're on the Black Creek Trail. About a mile and a quarter into it. Hopefully we're gonna do the whole thing, see how Bella holds up. And we're gonna let you know, a lot of squirrels, a few deer. It's a nice morning. Albino. Look at that albino deer. Oh shoot. Where's that? There it is. Bella, no. Bella, come. What the heck is wrong with you? Sit, hey, come here. Come here. Don't chase that. I was trying to get some good video. All right, running along. Bella, no. A nice little elevated shot of Black Creek right here along the trail. Gonna continue on. All right, let's walk down to the creek. A little makeshift natural beach right here. Bella's getting her little water time. All right, Bella. Be watching out. Make sure no gator gets you in there. Come on. Somebody's been hanging out. Come on. The girl loves the water for sure. All right, Bella, let's go. Let's go. So who'd have thought I would have seen an albino deer? Nice brown spots on it, very unusual. But that was nice. Maybe we'll see some more. That's about the 5th deer I've seen this morning. A couple squirrels, a couple hawks, ain't nothing like being in nature. All right.